In this video, I will share with you how to change your store currency in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this manage store button. Now, to change this online store currency, it's simple. Just go to settings, then click on store details, and below regional settings, you will see currency. As you see, for this online store, I use USD as the currency that my products are sold in. Till now, I can't change the currency because I have a connected payment method. In order to be able to change it, I need to disconnect the enabled payment methods. To do that, it's simple. Go to payments, and from the available 3 payment gateways, the local Go, PayPal, and Stripe, and also manual payment, the PayPal is enabled. Now I need to disconnect PayPal. To do that, click on Manage, then click on Disconnect PayPal. Confirm your selection. Now that I don't have any payment method enabled on this online store, just go back to store details and refresh this page. I think I've missed an enabled payment method, so I will go back to payments and make sure that nothing is connected. As you see, the pay with cash at appointment is enabled. I will disable it, or I will remove manual payment. Remove. Now I think yes. Now I can edit the store currency from this list. Let's use the euro, for example. Where is the euro? I will delete this and write euro. And I can select it from here. Now click on save, update saved, and let's check that online. This is the same website. Let's go to the online store, click on a product, and now I see the euro instead of the USD. And this is how to change your store currency in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.